It's been a long day, you get home and guess what you find? There's a mark on the rug. Somehow the dog was naughty and now there's a mark. Of course, naturally you're going to want to deal with that straight away, and this is exactly what happened to this beautiful rug. It was somewhere in somebody's home and they came home and they discovered there's an accident on the carpet. So what they did was they went to find every brush they can, and they went to find every cleaner they can, and they gave it a real good clean. A real good clean left them with a mark that's now unfortunately even more visible. And what we can see just here is this pile has been distorted, and you can now see that there's a mark, and no matter how many times we're going to try and remove that mark, even as professionals, we will not be able to remove it. So my advice to you is, if you do have something like this happen on the carpet, use a neutral cleaner for your carpet. We can advise, and we supply some of those products that you can use, and if that product fails, it's better to call a professional than to go and find every brush you can in the cupboard, every product you can in the cupboard, and try your very best to remove it, because what happens is the pile gets distorted, and unfortunately that's not reversible. Now we have a lovely rug here, but unfortunately this mark can't be removed unless this client will be hiding this part of the rug, partly under a bed or something. This rug is not as good as it used to be. My name is Pierre with Art of Clean. I really want to help you get the most from your flooring and soft furnishings. If you have any questions, reach out. I'm always happy to help. Have a good day.